What's going on, everyone? Today I wanted to show you all about the new Tusk Titanium Wrench Set. Now this is exactly what you need to save that precious weight when it comes to carrying all of the tools that you're gonna have on your dirt bike rides or in your trail pack for your ATV rides. Now you already know when it comes to trailside fixes, a good wrench is a must-have. And when it comes to those trailside fixes, Tusk makes it super easy to make sure that you've got everything that you need with our trail packs, both for dirt bike and ATV use. But as you add in all the tools that you need, you already know weight goes up and up and up. When it comes to putting weight onto your back in a backpack or into a trail pack on a fanny pack, that's a huge deal. This is where this comes in. These are made out of nice quality titanium with a shot-peened finish, and they've even got cutouts to keep the weight down as much as possible. Now this is going to have an open-ended end as well as a 12-point closed end. And the big thing here is this isn't some skinny little wrench. This has got a fat end so that you can get all of the surface area on those nuts and bolts to make sure you're not rounding out the bolts on your trailside fixes. Now one thing I love is specs. And the thing that I love most about this is weight, and that's where these come in. If you are to weigh the 8 through 14 kit, this comes in at 4.6 ounces. That is super light when you consider if you were to weigh the same sizes in a standard steel wrench set, that's gonna come in at 9.6 ounces or more. That is half the weight. That is awesome when it comes to something that you're strapping onto your back especially. Now in the kit, you can get your 8, 10, 12, 13, and 14 millimeter sizes. You can add in a 17 and 19 millimeter wrench, as well as these are all offered individually as well, which is awesome. If you're looking to save that precious weight into your tool pack, this is a must-have item. Be sure to get yours by going to RockyMountainATVMC.com or clicking on the link below. As always, if you're looking for your place to get ready, Rocky Mountain's the place to be. I'm Trent, and thanks so much for watching.